Stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
Welcome to another edition of Top Stock Picks of the Week. I am Brian Bolin, and I am joined today by Kevin Cook, the Cooker. And we're going to talk about two different stocks. First, I'm going to throw it right over to you, Cooker. You've got a very interesting pick for the week.
Yes, and the inmates are running the asylum here today since Terry's not here. All right. Alibaba, BABA, reported their Q3 for fiscal 2017, end of January. Blowout across the board, the trifecta that we like, top and bottom line beats and raised guidance.
All three.
Yes, 54% year-over-year revenue growth, and then they raised guidance on revenue growth into the high 40s. So Wall Street loved it. Price targets are going, let's see, Goldman goes up to 135 on the stock. Morgan Stanley goes to 140. Deutsche goes from 140 to 148. Oof. So, and if you want more detail on what the iBanks did, I did BABA for my Bull of the Day on February 6th last week. So you can just find that on Zacks.com. Go to BABA, look for the Bull of the Day story, and you can get all the details on what all the iBanks did. I want to focus on two elements, though. They've entered the cloud, okay? And so BABA is trying to create their own ecosystem, just like Amazon.
Gotcha.
Now,
gotcha.
And their run rate on cloud revenue just crossed $1 billion. So it's going to be a steady grower for them. You know that they're a monster in China for retail. They're going to keep working that.
And the way that that's been such a driver for Amazon, it's very likely that they're going to become the Amazon then of China and the kind of go-to tech hub.
Yeah, I mean, that's what we call them. We call them the Amazon of China. So since they're already, they've got their tentacles in e-commerce in China, now they can sell small, medium-sized businesses and obviously corporations. Hey, you need web services, you need cloud storage, we're there for you.
Right.
The other thing they're doing is financial. They own a company called Ant Financial, which owns Alipay, and Alipay is the largest e-commerce transaction, payment provider for e-commerce in China. So Ant Financial made inroads into the U.S. a couple weeks ago. They bought MoneyGram.
MoneyGram, right?
Yeah. So
for just under $1 billion. I think
right.
I saw, right? Yeah.
And MoneyGram is bigger than you think. For that market cap, you think, oh, it's a tiny company, but they've got thousands and thousands of customers around the world. So that's a key acquisition for them. So if you were thinking, hey, is Trump anti-China? Is he going to give China a hard time? And then BABA is able to walk in here and buy this U.S. company. It's pretty interesting because MoneyGram is located in Dallas. So, and the other thing is Ant Financial is raising $3 billion. So they're up to some things going on there. Yeah.
There's a lot more that we're going to hear on the at least the transaction front from
exactly. All right, what are you talking about today?
All right, I'm looking at Lincoln Electric, and this is not an electric utility company, as some people may think. This is a motors.
Lincoln Logs, or
right? Not Lincoln Logs either. They do motors and welding and that sort of stuff. So industrial applications. And this is really a Trump stock, and that's kind of why I like it right here. The Trump names are really picking up, the industrial ones especially. I've seen that those stocks have really been moving. And, today being February 13th, tomorrow, Valentine's Day, they're going to have a sweet earnings report.
Boy.
Yes, eat your heart out, Kevin Cook. Eat your heart out. If we go to the screen, we can see that it is a Zacks rank number 2 strong buy. It's got the B for growth in the style scores and a D for value. Now, I like that divergence in growth and value. That tells me that the growth investors are liking this stock and the value investors don't. And there's two classes of investors, and that's what I like to see in names that I go after. If we jump over here to the price and consensus chart, we can see that this isn't exactly what we always like to see because we've seen earnings estimates move lower, but I think we've kind of seen them bottom out here, at least for 2016. Obviously, that year has come to an end. We're going to have that report then tomorrow. But 2017, I'm going to expect that these numbers have been bottomed out here as well. It is a Zacks rank number 2. We have seen 3 straight beats in a row. I'm looking for another beat for them tomorrow.
All right.
And that's why it is my stock pick of the week. Lincoln Electric and Alibaba is yours. Be sure to check out the rest of Zacks.com for other stock picks, stock picking strategies, and information. With Kevin Cook, I'm Brian Bolin.